The large intestine meridian of hand Yangming. The large intestine meridian starts from the inside of the second fingertip and goes up the forearm and goes lateral from the elbow and then go to the shoulder and neck and end on the other side of the nose. The acupoints are Li1 on the fingertip, Li5 on the wrist, Li11 around the elbow, Li15 on the shoulder, and the very last Li20 at the side of the nose. I'll explain one by one. The large intestine meridian of hand Yangming starts from the fingertip. The first acupoint is called Li1. Li1 is at the end of the middle side of the second finger. We talked about some dogs not having the first finger, the declaw. The second finger, at the base of the nail, there's the acupoint called Li1. This is the second finger. At the base of the nail, there's the acupoint Li1. Here's the acupoint Li1. From Li1, it goes along the middle side of the second finger and up to the wrist. This is the second finger, and the first acupoint is on this second finger, so the large intestine meridian goes up from here. And here, there's the second metacarpal bone, and at the distal end of this bone, there's an acupoint called Li3. And in between the first and second finger, where it is at the middle point of the second metacarpal bone, there's an important acupoint called Li4. Li4 locates at the base of the first and second finger, where these two fingers split. Let's find Li3. There was Li1 at the base of the nail. Then you go up. This is the second metacarpal bone. On this bone, on the medial side, right in the middle, you'll locate Li3. And Li4 is right in between the first and second finger. When you open your hand like this, it is going to be here. There are dogs that does not have the first finger, so it might be difficult to locate. In that case, find the middle point at the middle side of the second metatarsal bone. That point will be Li4. The dog's metacarpal bone is here. This part is the metacarpal bone. It is in between the finger and the wrist. And you locate the acupoint Li3 in between the finger and the metacarpal bone. And you locate Li4 at the middle point of the second metacarpal bone. Here is Li3. And here, at the middle of the metacarpal bone, is Li4. Next is Li5 and Li11 and Li15. Li5 is where at the wrist joint is. Li11 is where at the elbow joint is. Above that, near the shoulder joint, there is Li15. Okay, let's look into it one by one. Li5 is the depression on the dorsal and medial side of the radial carpal joint. This is the radius, and this is the ulna. And this is the wrist joint. On the dorsal and medial side of the wrist, there's a depression. This is Li5. I'll explain using a real dog. Find the carpal joint and then find the radius. On the medial side of the radius, there's a depression. This depression is Li5. Bend the wrist, and on the medial side, there's a depression in between the joint. This is Li5. It is on the inside of the carpal joint. Okay, next, let's find a landmark acupoint called Li11 at the elbow joint. Li11 is at the elbow joint. Elbow flexion crease is a line that you can see when you bend your elbow. At the lateral end of this line is called Li11. This is going to be a landmark acupoint. Next is Li15 at the shoulder joint. At the very end of the scapula, where the shoulder joint is, there's a ridge called acromion. There's a depression cranial to the acromion, and this acupoint is called Li15. Here's the bone specimen. We learned Li5 before. Above Li5, there's the elbow joint. When you bend the elbow, there's a line that will appear, and you'll take Li11 a little bit on the outside on that line. Bend the elbow, and it is a little bit on the outside of that line. Next acupoint is Li15. This is the shoulder joint. Above the shoulder joint is the scapula. On the scapula, close to the shoulder joint, there's a ridge called acromion. This lump is called the acromion. Cranial to this acromion, there's a depression called Li15. This is Li11 and this is Li15. Okay, now we have Li5, and then when we bend the elbow, making the crease, a little bit on the outside of the crease is the acupoint Li11. Lateral to the bicep muscle is Lu5, and further outside is Li11. The dog's shoulder joint is here. At the shoulder joint, there's the scapula. At the bottom of the scapula, there's the acromion. It is at the bottom of the scapula. Li15 is the depression cranial to the acromion. Here is Li15. Li15. Next, we'll connect the two landmark acupoints, Li11 and Li5, and draw a line. On this line, 1/6 from Li11, there is Li10. And right in the middle of this line is an acupoint called Li7. And 1/4 from Li5 is an acupoint called Li6. Connect Li11 and Li5, draw a line, and 1/6 from Li11 is Li10. The middle point is Li7. 1/4 from Li5 is Li6. Connect the landmark acupoints Li5 and Li11. On this line, 1/4 from Li5 is Li6. In the middle of Li11 and Li5, there is Li7. And then 1/6 from Li11, you have Li10. Li6, Li7, Li10. Let's use a dog and find these acupoints. Draw a line connecting Li11 and Li5. And 1/2 from Li11, there is Li7. And another half between Li5 and Li7, there is Li6. And 1/6 from Li11, there is Li10. Li7 is at the midpoint of Li5 and Li11. On this line, the midpoint is Li7. And Li6 is going to be half of the half. This is Li6. And 1/6 from Li11, there's Li10. This is how you find Li6, Li7, Li10 using Li5 and Li11 landmarks. Next, we'll look into Li14 and Li20. Li11 and Li15. Li15 is the depression cranial to the acromion. We'll draw a line connecting Li15 and Li11. On this line, 1/3 from the shoulder, there's an acupoint called Li14. Here is Li11, and here is the acromion of the scapula. The depression in front of the acromion is Li15. We'll connect Li15 and Li11. And then 1/3 from the top, there is Li14. Here's the scapula. The depression in front of the acromion is Li15. And Li11 is on the outside of the elbow flexion crease. We'll draw a line connecting Li11 and Li15. And 1/3 from Li15, there is Li14. Here is Li14. Next is the last acupoint of this meridian. It is the Li20. The large intestine meridian starts from one side. For instance, say started from the left side. It goes all the way to the neck, but will be on the left side. However, once reaching to the left side of the face, it crosses to the other side and finishes the meridian at the acupoint called Li20. Let's look at the bone specimen. Start from the left. It goes all the way up, staying on the left side. But the last acupoint will be on the other side, the right side lateral to the nose wing. Looking at a dog, the large intestine meridian runs on the same side, going through Li11, Li15, but will cross to the other side and end lateral to the nostril at the borderline where the fur grows. This is Li20.